Excellencies, my colleagues and friends, distinguished delegates, head of state of government of ECOWAS, Council of Ministers, His Excellency Dr. Omar Leviture, President of the Representative of international organizations here present, members of diplomatic corps, other senior government officials here present, our eminent traditional rulers, thank you for being here. Captains of industry, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor for me to welcome you all fellow head of states, distinguished guests, delegates and partners to the inaugural West African Economic Summit. Your presence here signals our shared commitment to shaping a new economic future for our region. We gather at a decisive moment. Today is not about celebrating how far we've come, but forging a new path that leaves behind fragmentation amidst opportunities and moves us towards deeper integration, collective action, and shared prosperity. West Africa is one of the last great frontiers of economic growth. Yet, opportunity alone does not guarantee transformation. Opportunity is not destiny. We must earn it through vision, integration, policy coherence, collaboration, and capital alignment. Intra-regional trade remains under 10%, a challenge you can no longer ignore. The low trade is not due to a failure of will, but a failure of coordination. The global economy will not wait for West Africa to get its act together, nor should we. Rather than competing in isolation or rely on external partners, we must together strengthen our regional value chains, invest in infrastructure, and coordinate our policies. Our region's greatest asset is its youthful population. However, this demographic promise can quickly become a liability if not matched by investments in education, digital infrastructure, innovation, and productive enterprise. For example, Nigeria invests in skills development, digital connectivity, and youth empowerment. But no one country can do this alone. Our prosperity depends on regional supply chains, energy networks, and data frameworks. We must design them together, or they will collapse separately. From the Lagos to Abidjan Highway and West African Power Pool to digital and creative industry initiatives, our joint projects demonstrate what is possible when we work together. We must do more. We must move from declarations to concrete deals, from policy frameworks to practical implementation. We also recognize that Europe left Africa behind in the previous industrial revolutions. We cannot afford to miss the next one. Our rare minerals, powers tomorrow green technologies, yes, it is not enough. To be resource-rich, we must become value chain smart and invest in local processing and regional manufacturing. The era of one pit to the port must end. We must turn our mineral wealth into domestic economic value, jobs, technology, and manufacturing. The fundamental transformation will not come solely from the government, but from unleashing our people's entrepreneurial spirit. Government must provide the right environment, law, order, and market-friendly policies while the private sector drives the growth. Our task is to find new and effective ways to invest in our collective future, improve the business climate, and create opportunities for our youth and women. Let us emerge from this summit with actionable outcomes, a renewed commitment to ease of doing business, enhance intra-regional trade, improve infrastructure connectivity, and innovative ideas that move our people from poverty to prosperity. Let us build a West African that is investable, competitive, and resilient, one that needs and leads with vision, responsibility, and unity. This is the new West African proposition. Let us make it real and bankable. I thank you all for being here and for listening. Thank you.